So today let's unbox my new Toyota sewing machine together. So my search for a new sewing machine started almost immediately after I entered Nairobi, because as a fashion content creator and a fashionista, I love to be able to make little twists to whatever outfit I'm going out with. And sometimes I sew my clothes from the scratch, so it was really difficult. I was going around CBD like every other, I think I went like twice in 1 week. I didn't get it, but finally I got it. It's way expensive than the one I had in Accra, and it's brand new. It has all the manual. They were very helpful to show me one or two things, the covers. Yes, I'm so excited about it, and yay guys, get ready for all the lovely pieces that I am about to start sending your way. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more fashion and travel content. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.